Welcome to Sharad V More English School online lecture. Now, yes, we have to start the question number 2 of practice set 3.1. Okay, the question is write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Okay, so what is given over here? Value of A and value of D. So here we have to find out the AP. Okay, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस की लिस्ट को हमको प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके, इट्स क्लियर नाउ. क्या करना है हम लोगों को? तो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 a value is equals to 10 and d value is equals to 5. ओके, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट? तो हियर वी हैव टू मेक द arithmetic progressions. So let's see how to make the arithmetic progression. Okay, question number 2. Now first one, a value is equals to 10, d value is equals to 5. Okay, now here we have to find out the arithmetic progression. Now its solution. So yes, we have learned in the previous lecture that if the first term is known, we can find out the other terms by adding the common difference d. Okay, now yes, write down. A is equals to t1 and this is equals to 10. Now we have to find out the t2. Therefore, t2 is equals to t1 plus d. Now this is equals to t1 is equals to 10, 10 plus d is equals to 5. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Therefore, t3 is equals to t2 plus d. So here t2 is equals to 15, 15 plus 5 is equals to 20. T4 is equals to T3 plus D and this is equals to 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. It's clear now? So here we have to find out the 4 to 5 terms and then we have to write down the AP. Okay, the answer 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on is the required AP. Okay, so here required AP is 10, 15, 20, 25. In this way we have to solve the all questions. Now yes, question number 2, a is equals to minus 3 and d is equals to 0. A is equals to minus 3, d is equals to 0. Its solution, a is equals to t1 is equals to minus 3 here. So therefore t1 is equals to minus 3. Therefore t2 is equals to t1 plus d. So here t1 is equals to minus 3 and d is equals to 0. Now minus 3 plus 0 is equals to minus 3. Okay, therefore t3 is equals to t2 plus d. This is equals to t2 is minus 3 plus 0 is equals to minus 3. Similarly T4 is equals to T3 plus D and T3 is equals to minus 3 plus 0 is equals to minus 3. Okay, understood? Okay, answer minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 so on is the required AP. Understood? AP is the short form of the arithmetic progression. Now see the next question. Question number 3. A is equals to -7 and D is equals to 1 upon 2. A is equals to -7 and D is equals to 1 upon 2. Its solution: T1 is equals to A is equals to -7. Therefore, T2 is equals to T1 plus D. So here T1 is equals to -7 plus D is equals to 1 upon 2. Now yes, make the denominator equal. -7 into 2 plus 1. This is equals to -14 plus 1 upon 2, and finally this is equals to -13 upon 2. It's clear now? Next one, and this is equals to nothing but the 2 to 6 are 12. Yes, remainder 1. Put the decimal point, it will become 10. 2 5s are 10, so -6.5. Okay, now yes, T3. T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is equals to -6.5. Okay, so here we will not write in this form. -13 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So this is equals to -13 plus 1 is equals to 12. 13 -13 plus 1 is equals to -12. -12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. So -6. Next one, T4 is equals to T3 plus D. So here T3 is equals to -6. -6 plus D 1 upon 2. Now again take the LCM. So 6 into 2 into 1 -6 into 2 -12 plus 1 upon 2. This is equals to -11 upon 2, and finally this is -0.5. It's clear now? Write down the answer. So here first term is -7, second term is -6.5, next term is -6, next term is -0.5, is so on. Okay, is the required AP. Understood? Okay. Now see the next question. A is equals to -1.25 and D is equals to 3. Next question. A value is -125 and D value is 3. Okay, so here question number 4. A is equals to -1.25 and D is equals to 3. Now yes, its solution. Its solution. Okay, here T1 is nothing but A, and here A is equals to -1.25. Now T2, therefore T2 is equals to T1 plus D. What is D? Common difference. Now here T1 is equals to -1.5, 1 -1.25 plus, okay, D value is equals to 3. So here -1 plus 3. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 2.25. Here 3 is greater, that's why we will get the 2.25, because 3 is the greater number here. Okay, 1 minute. Now you see the subtraction of it. 3 is greater, so write down the 3. Okay, after the decimal point there are the 2 digit in the next number. So here after the 3 write down the 2 zeros, -1.25. Okay, 10 minus 5, okay, is equals to 5. Here 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, and here what will left? 2, because yes, borrowed from the 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 1. So here, okay, 1.75 will come. Okay, therefore T3 is equals to T2 plus D. Here T2 is equals to 1.75, 1.75, and what is the d here? 3. So this is equals to 4.75. Now yes, T4 is equals to T3 plus D. This is equals to, now T3 is equals to 4.75 and D value is equals to 3. So 3 and 4, 7.75. Okay, understood? Now here we have found the 4 terms. Now write down the required AP. Its answer minus 1.25, comma 1.75, comma 4.75, comma 7.75, and so on is the required AP. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, now you see the question number 5. A is equals to 6 and D is equals to -3. क्या यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू 6 है, D की वैल्यू क्या है? -3 है. Okay, so let's solve the question. A is equals to 6 and D is equals to -3. Its solution. T1 is equals to D. T1 is equals to A and A is equals to 6. Now yes, T2. T2 is equals to T1 plus D. So here T1 is equals to 6. 6 plus -3. So this is equals to 6. Now open the bracket, plus minus minus. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Therefore T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is equals to 3 plus D. D is equals to -3. So this is equals to 3. Open the bracket, plus minus minus. Minus 3 is equals to 0. Now yes, T4. T4 is equals to T3 plus D. Now T3 is 0. 0 plus -3. This is equals to plus minus minus. So 0 minus 3 is equals to -3. It's clear now? Now write down the answer. 6, 3, 0, -3 is the required AP. Okay, understood? Now yes, question number 6 is homework you have to do at home. Let's see the question number 3 now. Question number 3 देखो student, क्या है question number 3? See it. Question number 3 देखो. Find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. What is the question? Find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. So here we have to find out the first term, that is A, and the common difference. Okay, it's clear now. So how you will start this question? Question number 3. Okay, find first term and common difference full stop. Okay, now under that, first question is first one, 5 comma 1 comma -3 comma -7 comma so on. It's clear now? So yes, its solution. So what you write here? T1 given here as 5, T2 is equals to 1, T3 is equals to -3, and T4 is equals to -7. Okay, so for finding the D means common difference is equals to T2 minus T1. So T2 is 1 minus T1 is equals to 5. So 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 4. Again find out the D. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 4 minus 1 is equals to minus 4. Now T4 minus T3 is equals to minus 7 minus 3 is equals to minus 7. This minus minus will become plus. Minus 7 plus 3 is equals to minus 4. It's clear now. So here what we have seen, each time the common difference is minus 4. Okay. Now write down the answer. Okay, from the list itself we found the T1. Okay, means term 1. The first term is 5 and common difference. Okay, common difference means D is equals to minus 4. It's clear now how to solve these questions. ये क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, second one, 0.6 comma 0.9 comma 1.2 comma 1.5. Okay, second one. Second, 0.6 comma 0.9 comma 0.12 comma 1.5. Okay, it's clear. 1.5. Okay, last one. Now its solution. Here first you have to write down the all terms which are given in the questions. T1 is equals to 0.6 means first term. T2 is equals to 0.9. Third, T3 is equals to 0.12. T4 is equals to 1.5. Now we have to find out the common difference. So D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is equals to 0.9 minus 0.6. Okay, this is equals to 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, 0.3. Now yes, T3 minus T2. T3 is 0.12 minus T2 is equals to 0.9. Okay, 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. Okay. So here there is one mistake. This is nothing but the 1.2. Okay, in the question do the correction. This is 1.2. Okay, 1.2. It's clear. So here 12 minus 9 is equals to 3 and what will left here 0. So 0.3. Next one, T4 minus T3. T4 is equals to 1.5 minus 1.2. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So what we have got here? Okay, common difference is 0.3. It's clear now. So in answer what you will write? The first term is A is equals to 0.6 and common difference that is D is equals to 0.3. It's clear now. Okay, now yes, we have completed question 1 and 2. Now yes, you have to solve the question number 3 at home. Now yes, I am solving last question of it. Last question इसका solve कर रहा हूँ, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. 1 upon 4 comma 3 upon 4 comma 5 upon 4 comma 7 upon 4 and so on. Okay, now here T1 is equals to 1.4 comma T2 is equals to 3 upon 4 comma T3 is equals to 5 upon 4 comma yes T4 is equals to 7 upon 4. Okay, now find out the D. T2 minus T1. T2 is equals to 3 upon 4 minus T1 is equals to 1 upon 4. Now 4 is common here. Take the 4 common. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 2 upon 4. Now 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 upon 2. Next T3 minus T2. T3 is 5 upon 4 minus T2 is equals to 3 upon 4. Now this is equals to, okay, 4 is common here. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 2 upon 4. Now again 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. This equals to 1 upon 2. Now T4 minus T3. T4 is equals to 7 upon 5 minus T3 5 upon 4. This is equals to 4 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2 2 upon 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now this is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, now write down answer. The common difference is 1 upon 2 and the term is 1 upon 4. So first we have to write down the first term. The first term is 1 upon 4 and common difference is 1 upon 2, full stop. Okay, now yes, we have completed the question number 4 of the question number 3. Now we have to start the practice set 3.2. Okay, now 3.1 is completed. We will start the 3.2 in the next lecture. If a student, if you have any doubt, you can ask to me.